Okay, crank seat belted in, block and rods are in the back, time to go to the machine shop. Today's video is going to be short because I just spent 6 hours at Pick and Pull rummaging around through stuff. Found some potentially good stuff though. One thing that I got was an alternator from a Ford Taurus wagon. There's a few years of Ford Taurus, I want to say 90 to 93. They had these big nice 3G alternators that have a bracket that's very FE friendly. I have to shim it a little bit, change the serpentine pulley into a V-belt pulley. You need to get as much of the wire as possible, so I did so. So this should make it to where I can run the electric fan setup and a few extra accessories and have a vast improvement from the 1G alternator that is barely adequate for the truck. The other thing that I found was a 1980 F100. The good thing about the 1980 F100 is that it came with this 5 by 4.5 inch lug pattern, which is the same as the Crown Vic front end. So if I can make these axles work in my rear end, then I can have the same bolt pattern all the way around and not have to run spacers or 2 different size wheels. This one here had some issues with the bearing, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. It's in pretty rough shape. We'll see. But it was a chore finding it and then getting it off. If these axles aren't the right length, then I might have to go back and get the housing. But now we're going to finally answer the question that several people ask online and have different answers. Does this just fit in? So we'll find out fairly soon, but not today, because I'm fucking tired. I'm going to eat some nachos.